In today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Picsart app on your PC or laptop. If you've been wanting to edit photos or create amazing designs on a bigger screen instead of just your phone, then this tutorial is for you. So make sure you watch until the end. The process of downloading Picsart on your PC or laptop is very simple. First, open up your web browser. You can use Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, Firefox, or whichever browser you prefer. Once your browser is open, go to the search bar and type in Picsart Download for PC and hit enter. After searching, you'll see a list of results. Look for the official Picsart website or a trusted source that provides the download. Once you're on the correct site, you should see a clear option to download the app. Go ahead and click the download button, and your installer file will start downloading to your computer. When the download is complete, locate the file, usually in your downloads folder, and double click on it to start the installation. A setup window will appear, and all you need to do is follow the on-screen instructions. The installation process will only take a few moments, so just sit tight until it's done. Once the installation finishes, you'll see the Picsart icon on your desktop or in your apps list. Congratulations, you now have Picsart installed on your PC or laptop. You can open it right away, sign in with your account, and begin editing photos, making collages, or creating digital art on a much larger screen. And that's it. That's how easy it is to download and install Picsart on your computer. I hope this tutorial was helpful and that you can now enjoy using Picsart without any problems. Thank you for watching this video.